Well, it is.
Pour the water in there. Ready? Oh, go. Oh, good job. Way to go, buddy. Now put it down.
Now lemonade.
Now carefully pour it into the cup. Ready? Go. There you go. Good job. Can you mix it with that spoon?
Now stop.
Keep mixing, buddy.
I can see you.
Oh yeah?
Yeah, you're. When I see you, your hand's little. When I see you, your hand's big.
Yeah.
Hot tea for me to drink.
Oh, I'm gonna do.
And close. Yeah, go ahead and close it. And squeeze. Ready? Now I'm gonna help you. Ready? Push. Oh, it's hard, doesn't it? Try again. Make sure it goes in the cup. There. Good job. Super. Hold on. Wait a second. Ready? One more time. Ready? Set. Squeeze.
I squeezed on there.
Squeeze. Squeeze more. Squeeze.
Someone just put on my hand.
Oh, someone on your hand? Oh, okay. Squeeze, squeeze. Oh, squeeze. Squeeze.
Uh-oh.
Oh, that's good. A little bit more. Whoa, it's moving.
What? Why is it moving?
Oh, no.
Maybe just wants to spin.
Hold that with the other hand. Your other hand. But don't pour it yet. Just hold it right here. 1/4 teaspoon baking soda. Alright, now look at what happens. Pour it in.
Well, it is. It's lemonade. Now, what do we need next?
Pour this in there.
Okay.
Very carefully. Pour it in there. That's the pour. All of that in there. Good. And now, mix. Can I try some?
Sure.
Cool. Thanks, kiddo. Mmm. Tastes like that. Lemon candy.
Hmm?
Lemon drop. Tastes like lemon drops. That's what it tastes like. Smile. Alright, don't drop it. Is that a smile? Can you really smile? Like laugh?